Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are in Kuyumcukent, the jewelry complex of Istanbul, where all the jewelers of the city is based with Deniz. And we got a surprise for you because she is moving to her new office, much bigger. How much bigger?
Very much bigger.
4 times bigger. Deniz is responsible for our Kuyumcukent jewelry complex showroom, and that's the showroom. Unfortunately, it's a little bit small.
Yes.
It's
I
like
cannot fit in here.
Yeah, you are too big. This
Yes,
is too small.
I'm too big.
Yeah, you are too big. So this is a tiny house. It's like a tiny house.
So popular
Can
these
you,
days.
can you introduce your products?
Okay, here we have our 8-axis CNC machine.
That comes from 18th century, 200 years ago. That's the first Bengal master we did, isn't it?
Really?
First generation. Look at it.
Why you gave me this? I don't need one.
That's the old version of a Bengal master. We have it. It's just 8 axis. It served us 3 years in the exhibitions and finally end up here for its end user after demonstration, of course, with a discounted price. And here we have many mechanical machines from Deniz.
Yes. Inside leg machine and outside leg machine.
Of course, if there is inside, there must be outside. There's no middle side.
Yes.
Inside, outside, middle side. Okay, I'm
Very well. See you.
Bye. She is leaving that kitchen to the new, much bigger, 4 times bigger showroom. Can you take me to the new showroom?
Of course.
Okay, we are going. As you can see, it's extremely small, so we have to go to move to a bigger one. We are moving 4 times bigger showroom, as you can see here. Our new showroom in Kuyumcukent Jewelry Complex is still under construction, and Deniz is following the construction.
Yes.
Are
Every
you
day,
following?
every time,
Every
every
time.
moment.
She's living here days and nights. What time you wake up?
Today, 7
7
a.m.
a.m. here.
Yes,
Can you show me your bed in this place?
of course.
That place will be, this is 120 meters. That will be our new showroom from 30 to 120 meters. So that will be our showroom. You will be able to see all our machines in this place. Bengal master in this place.
Ring maker,
Ring maker, lathe machine,
Excalibur,
Excalibur, faceting machine, diamond tools, a lot of diamond tools.
everybody.
And all the products of Bulunmaz company you can also see in this showroom in Kuyumcukent Jewelry Complex. Our YouTube subscribers, you are watching our video and you are not subscribed our video, please subscribe immediately. Please, below, click below. Can you introduce us this show, how it's gonna be, where will be machines, what things will be here? Can you explain?
Machine will be here and there. And also, we have some rooms here. Meeting room will be here.
Where can I meet?
You can meet me here.
Okay, I'm going to meeting room.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay, meeting room is here. Also, we have an office here for Eylül Bulunmaz.
Where is Eylül? Come here. Please show me your office.
Where is your office?
So whenever you come to Kuyumcukent Jewelry Complex to see our machine, Eylül will be greeting you, Deniz will be greeting you here. This place. And I will be in the toilet, I will show you now. So here is the construction of kitchen and toilet. That's totally 120 meters in this place, where we can easily introduce you our products, our machines.
We have storage room here.
There are pipes. Deniz, what these pipes for? These pipes are for what? Is it for
Maybe
it?
fly.
Thank you very much for the introduction. It's a really beautiful showroom. When it will be finished?
In 1 or 1.5 months.
We are waiting you 1 or 1.5 months later for the opening ceremony of our bulunmaz Kuyumcukent new showroom.
Yes, food,
With
drinks.
Food, drink. Everyone is welcome.
Fun, very fun. So fun.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos. And keep watching our YouTube channel because more news about our new showroom, about our factory, company will be here. Hadi bakalım.